Mihira, I've just seen the weekend roster. We're short on surgical nurses again.
Yes, doctor. We had 2 resignations last week, plus Ellie is on indefinite leave due to her mother's condition. That's left us scrambling to fill critical gaps, especially in post-op.
Didn't HR confirm replacements?
They did, but 2 of them declined after orientation. Apparently, the night shift structure is too demanding, and the overlapping cover for ICU isn't well explained.
And I assume that's affecting recovery times.
Precisely. Without consistent post-op staff, we're delaying patient mobilization. I flagged it with admin, but they're prioritizing the pediatrics wing expansion instead.
So your request for float nurses was denied?
Not denied, just deferred. They've redirected agency staff to A&E due to the rise in trauma cases, completely ignoring the cascading impact here.
Mihira, this is going to compromise outcomes if it's not addressed.
Agreed. I've drafted a second escalation memo, focusing on post-op recovery metrics. If that doesn't get traction, we'll need to revise weekend discharges again.
Mihira, I understand how concerning and uncomfortable this rash must be for you. The good news is that this type of reaction is common and very treatable. The likely first step in your treatment will be an antihistamine medication. This works by calming your body's overactive response to the allergen, which will help reduce the itching, swelling, and stop any new symptoms from developing. For immediate comfort, we will apply a soothing, cooling cream to the affected areas to relieve the itch and irritation on your skin. The next important step is for the doctor to give you a thorough examination. This will help confirm the cause and ensure we have the best plan for you. Following that, we will monitor you closely to see how well your skin is responding to the treatment. Our entire team is here to support you through this, and we will make sure you feel better as quickly as possible. You're in good hands.